Hi everyone, can you solve this math problem without a calculator? Next, at first we can write 40 to the power 20 plus 20 divided by 20 to the power 20. Next, we can write 40 to the power 20 times 40 to the power 20 over 20 to the power 20. Here we can apply this rule: a to the power m by b to the power m is equal to a by b to the power m. So we can write 40 to the power 20 whole square 20 times 40 to the power 20. Next, this 20 divided by 40 is equal to 2. So we can write 2 to the power 20 is equal to 2 to the power 20 into 40 to the power 20. Here we can apply this rule: a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. So we can write 2 into 2 times 40 to the power 20. Next, 2 times 40 is equal to 80 to the power 20. So this is the right answer. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.